Apple, cancel March presentation and iOS 14 beta. Due to the coronavirus, Apple is forced to postpone the spring presentation of the iPhone SE2, iPhone 9, and other devices. Unfortunately, not only the presentation is under threat, but also the release of iPhones. Details tells the online store. Presentation of iPhone SE2 will not take place. March 31st, Apple planned to introduce the iPhone 9, SE2, new tablets, laptops and other gadgets. The event wanted to be held at the Steve Jobs Theater, which is located in Santa Clara County. It is there that the company always presents new iPhones. The authorities of the district, due to the active spread of coronavirus, banned gathering in groups of more than 1,000 people. And at the presentation of Apple, as you know, a lot more people come, so the event was postponed indefinitely. According to popular insiders, not only the presentation of new products was threatened, but also their release. Due to the virus, the supply of components has shifted in time, because the work of the plants has been stopped. Most suppliers of components for Apple equipment stopped working in February, but now the situation is stabilizing. Although the factories are not working at full strength and the pace of production is lower. Merged into the network code iOS 14 revealed information about the latest Apple. As it became known earlier, the iOS 14 code was leaked to the network. He revealed new information about future Apple innovations and confirmed the release of iPhone 9, SE2. It became known that, in addition to the usual 9, Apple plans to show the iPhone 9 Plus. So iPhone 9 will be executed in the iPhone 8 form factor with the filling of iPhone 11. It will be with a 4.7-inch screen, a home button, with a Touch ID scanner and a dual camera. The heart of the device will be the A13 Bionic chipset, created by the 7nm process technology. The older version will be performed in the iPhone 8 Plus form factor, but with the same 11 filling. From the iOS 14 code, it became clear that only Touch ID will receive new products, but there will be no Face ID functions.